everybody, welcome back to our kitchen and welcome back to our channel. And thanks for joining us again for this baking challenge. Out of my family's recipe box for today, we are making hot cocoa marshmallow cookies. So this will be cookie number 4. And the first thing you need to do is we are going to take a half a cup of butter, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a quarter cup of white sugar, and we're going to combine this all together. Oh, and I forgot, a pinch of salt. That's in there too. That's why I have this here, so it reminds me. Sugar, brown sugar, butter, and salt. And we're just gonna combine this till it's nice and creamy. We have that cream together. Now we are going to add 1 egg. Make sure that your oven is set to 375. That's what you're gonna cook this at, is 375. So we have that preheating. So we got our egg in here. We're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of baking soda at this point. And we're going to cream that together. So that's all mixed in. Now you're going to add 1.5 cups of flour, a quarter cup of cocoa, and a quarter cup of hot chocolate mix. So that's basically 1 package of hot chocolate. You're going to add that all in together. Mix that well. All right, so we have that all mixed together. Now what you're going to do is you need to let this go for about 2 hours in the refrigerator. So we're going to take this off. You're going to cover it with plastic wrap. So it looks like that. Looks like chocolate, really good, yummy stuff. Place some plastic wrap on top of this, put it in the refrigerator, and I'll see you in 2 hours. Okay, so our dough has been refrigerated for more than 2 hours. We're going to take and scoop it on our pans with parchment paper. Have our oven set at 375, and we're going to bake them for 8 minutes. So we have 3 pans with 8 each on there. You want them about 2 inches apart. We're going to put them in the oven at 375, 1 pan at a time on your center rack. You're going to cook these for 8 minutes until they get puffy. Then you're going to pull them out and you're going to stick a marshmallow on them and put them back in for 2 more minutes. These have been in for 8 minutes. We're going to pull them out. And then you have your large marshmallows cut in half. This is the good finished side. This is the cut side. You want to push these down and smush them in there. You just want to make them all crinkle out. And then you're going to stick these back in the oven for another 2 minutes till the marshmallows melt. This is why it's important to use the parchment paper, because this will make a heck of a mess of your pans if you do not do that. So just smush them all down in there as fast as you can and get them back in the oven. It's been another 2 minutes, so we're going to pull these out. And while they're still warm, you're just going to take a spoon and kind of, again, just smush them down like that. We're going to do that to the other 2 pans. And then we'll be right back, because after we finish these, there is a glaze that goes over top of these. For the glaze, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and 2 tablespoons of steaming hot water.
Obviously, there was a little bit of an altercation, I guess, last night into maybe early this morning.
And whisk that together. Add in 1 cup of powdered sugar and Mix that well. If it's too thick, you can add a little more water. You want to mix this until there's no lumps. And then you're just going to spoon that right on top of your cookies. So this is like a hot fudge on top of them. Just like that. I'll finish these up and I'll be right back. Look at those babies. That's like sugar overload, overdosed, overkill. Chocolate lover's paradise right there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and stay tuned for the rest of the baking cookie challenge.